Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this fall inspired makeup look for you guys. Inspired by mainly the fall leaves, because I love how they look with all the yellows, oranges, reds and browns, all those pretty colors. So if you would like to see how to recreate maybe this look or some tips, just keep watching. I'm starting this makeup look with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, using this yellow shade as my transition color on a Morphe 433 brush to blend it all across the eyelids. I wasn't sure where I was going with this look at first. All I knew was that I wanted to incorporate all those bright colors you would see in a leaf once they start changing color in the fall. Now using the same brush, I'm taking this bright orange shade from the Morphe 350 palette. I'm applying it slightly below the yellow, all across the eyelids. Just trying not to cover that yellow completely. Since the yellow did get a bit lost and I wanted it to peek through, I used the Morphe 507 brush to add more of that yellow as I continued blending. I do this throughout the whole eyeshadow application process when I'm doing my makeup. If I feel that I need more of a color, I just go back in with the same brush, add more color, and continue blending. Moving on to the Kylie Jenner palette, I picked up the shade Burgundy on a Morphe 431 brush and started blending in the outer part of the eyelids, not bringing the color too high up because I did not want to cover the orange and the yellow that I previously applied. I wanted to intensify the color, so I wiped off some of the burgundy using my color switch, and on the same brush, picked up the shade Almond. I applied Almond only in the outer corners and close to the lash line. Let me tell you something. If you enjoy applying eyeshadow, just doing your makeup in general, you should definitely pick up a color switch to go between colors with the same brush. It comes so in handy. I use this thing a lot. Used my Rimmel London Black eyeliner pencil on the bottom lash line and to tightline the upper ones as well. I use this technique when I want my eyes to look darker and fuller for a more dramatic look. I used black eyeshadow on a flat angle brush and started blending on the upper lash line to create a slightly smoked out wing. I continue adding eyeshadow to build the intensity of the color and make it as dark as I want it. I repeat the same steps on the outer corners of the bottom lash line, as well as going back and forth with all the colors I used on my eyelids. Lashes in Kiss Corset are on, and I use the E.L.F small smudge brush for my inner corner highlight and Glow Getter from the 𝐂𝐃𝐔𝐂𝐈𝐏𝐒 Glow Kit by Anastasia. I use the L'Oreal Carbon Black Mascara to coat my bottom lashes. Finishing off the look by outlining my lips with the NYX lip liner in brown and filling them in with the Milani's matte lipstick in Style. if I missed anything, all the products will be listed down below for you guys. And well, this is the completed fall inspired makeup look. So if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions of any of the makeup products I use. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.